Yo, guys, it's almost like a never-ending thing. We are so used to Nike, Jordan brand, and all these, retail shops doing it, hitting us with these crazy restocks. And it's getting to the point now where it's like, these are scheduled drops. They just spread them throughout the calendar year, doing it very, very strategically, because the amount of times we've seen some of these shoes restock, and when they restock, is kind of interesting. But we're going to chop about it in today's video. Let's get right into it. Yo, what's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in, for tapping in. This should be a relatively quicker video. There's a couple things that have been going on in the sneaker community that I've been seeing, and I might be wrong about the first point that I want to talk about is these Air Jordan 5 Wolf Grays. Now, I was scrolling on Instagram today, and I was seeing somebody saying, hurry up and go to Sneakers app. I don't know if it was an exclusive access. I don't know if it was a shock drop. All I know is when I went onto the Sneakers app, all I seen was a notify me button. But if these did, do an EA or shock drop, y'all please let me know in the comment section. Super interested in knowing. And I do think the resale would definitely fizzle out when we get closer to the drop date. But with that being said, these can go all the way down to like 250, 260, and people will still go out there and take the pair that you really want. So make sure you're putting your emphasis in, put all your points in. You got a couple more days before these do come out. I think, yeah, Friday. You got all the way till Friday to put all your raffles in and stuff like that for Foot Locker and Champs. And I think that JD did their EA today, or they're doing it tomorrow, one of the two. So you got a couple more shots, a couple more opportunities. Super clean Air Jordan 5s. Cannot wait to throw these on feet when I do. And yeah, y'all just hold off, man. If you ain't got nothing confirmed yet, I think the resale will fizzle out, some similar to what we seen with the Air Jordan 1 Fragment UNLA collaboration. Now, that's still crazy. Them joints like $600-700. I've seen somebody, bro. I know some people that have paid a crazy amount of money for those shoes. I'm like, I cannot do it, bro. I'm gonna wait it out. I don't need them that bad. So, the resale on the UNLAs dropped tremendously, which is a great thing for us normal consumers. I'm a normal consumer. I know y'all might think that, YouTubers and stuff like that be getting stuff seeded and you get the plug price. Nah, it don't work like that, bro. It don't work like that. You know what I'm saying? You got to pay to play. And I will wait out on this one. The resale drop, and they're in that $200 price range, which is great for the varsity red pair. But for the royal blue pair, they still sitting around that $450, $420 price range. So hopefully it goes down to the 300s. That'd be great. Imagine getting both those for no more than $500. I'm just counting if you have to pay resale. Now, for the two restocks we will be seeing tomorrow on JD Sports is no other than the Air Jordan 11 Gammas and the Air Jordan 4 Black Cats. Did I say Air Jordan 4? Y'all know what I'm saying. Air Jordan 11 Gammas. I don't even know how to name this shoe. It's been a long day. But we're getting the Gammas. We getting the Black Cat. Super fire pairs right here. And again, both of these have some relatively high demand behind them, and I think Nike, Jordan Brand, JD, they all know that, bro. They all know people really wanted these two sneakers, and I think they be strategically placing some of these restocks. You know what I'm saying? It's just crazy how they're doing it right before the Air Jordan 5 Wolf Grays. I feel like they want to put this as a main priority, but they're restocking these again. I don't know why. I don't know why we keep getting restocks. All I know is Nike never sell out. I know bro, these stores be having mad pairs, bro. Mad pairs, delayed orders, or delayed shipments and stuff like that. So never count yourself out and call around your local area. See, if you can get plugged in. Maybe they'll let you know when they get a restock or two. But this one specifically is happening on JD Sports tomorrow, and it typically kicks off around that 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. But with JD, man, sometimes they be switching stuff up. Sometimes they drop it at midday, 12 Eastern. But just stay near your phones, stay near your app, and you should know when these things do restock. But tomorrow, JD Sports, be ready for the restock via their app tomorrow. So we had a couple things cracking off. I do feel like the Black Cats and the Gammas are still one of those shoes that a lot of people are, seeking. They're trying to add them to the collection. Last year was a little hectic when it came to the releases on Black Friday. And of course, for the Gamma 11 day, everybody wanted the Gammas, everybody and their mama. So, you got that opportunity. And we also still have until Saturday for the Wolf Grays to officially release on the Nike Sneakers app. and major retailers around the US. So we should be good, bro. We should be good with them joints. And then again, like I said, the unit LAs drop on Friday. So it's a jam-packed week, bro. Restock tomorrow. Friday, we got the unit LAs. Saturday, we got the home grade 5s. It's just a lot, man. I swear, February has been the craziest month for sneakers. Like, it's always like this, bro. Every February, I spend the most money on sneakers. And what's crazy, though, this year is that I spent more money on, like, other things in terms of, like, you know, not releases. I haven't bought grills and stuff like that. You know, some December, some January, some February, but mostly in February. So, you know, I just need to obtain these unit LA guys. I need the unit LAs. They're so crispy, bro. They are so crispy. And if you have a pair already in the collection, let me know in the comment section. Y'all wish your boy some good luck, because hopefully I hit for retail. And then all else fails, you know, I don't mind paying resale for the royal blue pair. And those still might drop on sneakers. You never know, bro. I could definitely see Nike doing a shock drop or like a dedicated drop date for those, like an exclusive access like they did with the Chicago Union to LA's last year. Like, it's a lot of things that can happen, that could happen. So I'm not going to count myself out. I'm not going to pay resale until I absolutely need to. But those are two mandatory cops. I love both of them. And yeah, I gotta have them, bro. I gotta have them in the collection. I gotta throw both feet. And if y'all on that same boat as me, y'all let me know, man. But I appreciate all the support. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like I said, nothing crazy today. We got some unboxings to do. We got some grills to unbox. We got some early looks coming in. And we got a lot in store for you all. So I hope y'all enjoying the content. Y'all continue to like the videos. Y'all continue to hype the videos up. Continue to comment. I love interacting with you guys. And with all that out the way, I'm going to get you guys in tomorrow's video. We got to drop something crazy for y'all. And hope y'all are excited for it. Hit the notification bell, man. Love y'all. Let me catch you on the next one, man. Peace.